This is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I will share a few useful camera tips and tricks on this device. In the beginning, let's explore available camera modes, starting with the Pro mode. As you could have already know, this mode allows you to manually adjust camera parameters such as white balance. This is the shutter speed, ISO value, exposure, and focus. So if you would like to get more manual control over the pictures that you shoot, the Pro mode is definitely a way to go. Then you have a very useful built-in scan mode that allows you to scan documents, and well, it works very simply. You just put the document inside the frame, take a photo of it, and the software will do the rest. Then if you'll enter the More section of modes, you can find the Ultra Res mode, the highest possible photo resolution. Now I will take a picture using this high res mode and then the identical photo using the regular photo mode, and now we'll go ahead and compare them. So this one is regular photo mode. You can see how far I can zoom in and how many details it has. And when it comes to high res mode, I can obviously zoom in way further, see more details, and overall just the photo retains more small details once again. If we will open the photo information, you'll see that the high res mode uses 50 megapixel lens, and the resolution of those pictures is 6K by 8K. And when it comes to regular photo mode, you get 12.6 megapixels and 3 by 4K definition. Now, another interesting camera mode that you may have missed is called photo booth, and it is pretty self-explanatory. It imitates the photo booth series of photos, so just press it and it will take a bunch of pictures with 3 seconds intervals, 4 photos if I'm not mistaken, using the selfie camera. Then once all those pictures are taken, it will compose them into a grid and you will be able to edit the result. So let's wait for it to happen. So here are my photos. You can change the layout, as you can clearly see. You can put them inside custom frame here. You can zoom in and do whatever editing you see fit here. Swap those pictures in terms of their positioning and what else, and edit them one by one. So open the Google Photos editing interface for each of those photos, maybe apply some filters, maybe mark them up, do whatever you see fit. Then done, and it will be saved and put over here. Now if we'll go into the camera settings, we will also find a bunch of useful and interesting options. So for example, you can switch on the shot optimization feature that will enhance photos with automatic tuning and AI scene detection. You can also enhance the video mode, sound or audio, by switching on the AI audio and audio zoom option, and auto, whatever, focus tracking. What else we can do here? So for example, if you go into the capture methods, you can enable a bunch of additional shooting methods that some people will find useful. For example, gesture selfie, so show your palm to the selfie camera to take a photo. The auto smile capture, so once this capture method is switched on, the camera will automatically capture when everyone in the frame is smiling. Or tap anywhere to capture, which allows you to, well, take a photo by tapping anywhere at the viewfinder if the shutter positioning is not convenient for you. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.